like father, like daughter. Ayaw rin humarap ni Duterte sa ICC. Diba?
Oo.
Ayaw humarap ng daughter.
Oo.
Tanong ko,
Baka
is the refusal to face the court, ICC or the House Committee, is that a political or a legal or a moral decision? Kung political, may political advantage eh. Yung mga pro-Duterte nandoon, nagrarally kung ano-ano sasabihin. Kasi kawawa si Digong. Pag umarap yan eh, bubugbugin, etc. Yung gano'n rin sasabihin ng mga supporters ni Sara, huwag ka nang umarap, ma'am. Malakas ang political base mo. Political. Legal. They have the right not to appear. Pero moral. Kung you're not guilty, face the music and sit there until proven that you are guilty or not guilty.
If I may respond very quickly, you know, yung line na kung walang tinatago pag ayaw humarap is the biggest BS that has ever been peddled. You know? Marami pong reasons. Even the Supreme Court has recognized in a number of cases na flight is not necessarily an indication of guilt. Maraming kaso yan. I can give that to you. Just not right now, but you can Google it up. Okay. Now, yung sinasabi ni Father, ni Reverend Robert Reyes, the moral, alam niyo po, kaya tayo secular country. Our rules are an amalgamation of legal, political, and moral. Kasi kung puro moral na lamang, para tayo yung mga Muslim countries na Sharia, magnakaw ka, putulin yung kamay mo, di ba? O, manilip ka, tukpatin yung mata mo, bulagin ka, di ba? O, gano'n na lang tayo. Hindi pwedeng puro moral. In the same way, hindi puro legal, hindi pwedeng puro political. Balanse po yan. So, legally, na-explain ko na po, hindi ko nag-uulitin, na they are well within their rights. Yung kay Duterte, hindi ko ma-discuss masyado dahil may pending case po sa Korte Suprema at magiging subjudice. And again, with all due respect to Attorney JV, the Supreme Court is entitled to full faith and credit. Kahit even if you disagree, wag tayo sanang magbibigay ng any insinuations or allusions na something is going on aside from the legitimate processes of adjudicating cases. Lalo na kung wala tayong pruweba. Sabi nga nila, the Supreme Court is not final because it is infallible. It is infallible because it is final. We may debate to death yung mga kaso roon, pero pag naglabas na po yan, wag na po natin salaulain yung motibo unless may pruweba po tayo. Okay? So, yun po ang sinasabi ko. They are well within the rights. So, yung sa ICC, there are jurisdictional, political, and other questions na nasa Supreme Court. Hindi pa naman po ako makapag-komento. But rest assured, hindi po dahil guilty kaya ayaw humarap. Not necessarily the case. And I'm sure a lot of people will agree with me on that.